Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about the mass transfer operation 2, unit number 5, adsorption and ion exchange. In the previous lecture, આપણે definitions જોયા હતા adsorption ની, and then also types of adsorption જોયું હતું. So now today discuss about the nature of adsorbents. Most important theory in 3 or 4 marks due to exam માટે and mid sem also. તો start કરીએ nature of adsorbents. Simply, adsorbent solid are usually used in a granule forms for varying in size of from roughly 12 mm in a diameter to as small as 50 micrometer. શું કર્યું છે? જે adsorbents છે solid are usually used in a granule form. Okay, varying in size from the roughly 12 mm diameter છે એનો to as small as 50 micrometer. Okay, simply the solid must be possess a certain engineering properties depending upon the applications to which they are put, and if they are used in a fixed base through which a liquid or gas is to flow, and for example they must be not for offer to create a pressure drop for flow or not be they are easily to be carried out away by the flowing stream also. Okay, adsorbent solid are usually used in a granule form and varying in size from roughly 12 mm in a diameter to as small as 50 micrometer, and the solid must be possess a certain engineering. The properties depending upon the some applications to which they are put, if they are used in a fixed bed throughout which require liquid or gas into the flow. Okay, for example they must not offer to create a pressure drop for flow, or must they easily to be carried out from the following stream also. તે મસ્ટ બી એડેક્યુટ સ્ટ્રેન્થमध्ये જોવાનું છે. એની હાર્ડનેસ કેવી છે તે જોવાની. નોટ બી ટુ યુઝ રિડ્યુસ ઇન અ સાઇઝ ડ્યુરિંગ handling or crust in supporting their own weight in a bed also. Okay, the bed of the required thickness if they are to be transported frequently in the out of the bins, they should be free flowing. These are some properties which are readily recognized this for a nature of adsorbents. Okay, this is the most important chapter for definition part also, types of adsorption આ નેચર ઓફ એડઝોર્બન્ટ જોઈએ છે જે એના માટે. પછી આપણે જોઈશું કોમનલી યુઝ એડઝોર્બન્ટ, પછી એડઝોર્પ્શન ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયા એ થઈ છે સિંગલ ગેસીસ અને વેપર્સ માટે, એડઝોર્પ્શન હિસ્ટરેસિસ, effect of temperature on adsorption, heat of adsorption also, adsorption from liquid, adsorption from dilute solution also, Freundlich equations છે, material balance ના equations ના basis પર જોઈશું એની application, hygiene contactor also, pressure swing adsorber, ion exchange principle, application, equilibria, rate of ion exchange જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ ના ટોપિક છે જોઈશું આપણે. ઓકે, then the adsorptive ability of a solid is quite another matters. For adsorption is very general phenomena, and even common solid adsorb gases. Okay, and vapor latest a certain extent. For example, every students of analytical chemistry has observed with anyone's in increase in a weight also, a weight of a dried pollution crucible on a humid day during an analytical weighting which result from the adsorption from moisture content of moisture from the air upon the crucible also. Okay, any surface, but only certain solid exhibit any sufficient specificity also and absorptive capacity to make them useful as a industrial. Okay, industrial adsorbent also, since the solid are frequently and very specific in their ability to absorb certain substances in a large amount of this chemical nature. Okay, nature of the solid evidently has much to do with its absorption characteristics માટે, but mere chemical identity is insufficient to characterize. કોઈ બી બેઝિસ પર આપણે જોઈએ કે એલ્સેબેન્ડનો નેચર કેવો હોવો જોઈએ. ઓકે, એને આપણે 5 ફેઝીસમાં જોવામાં આવે. એના 3 ઝોન હોય. અલગ અલગ કેમિકલ લઈ લઈએ આપણે. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ એકમાં 50 ml અને બાકીનો 50 ml વોટર લઈ લઈએ. બીજામાં 760 ml બાકીનું વોટર, 70, 80, 90 એ રીતે આપણે 5 રેશિયોમાં આપણે એને લઈ લઈશું. એ રીતે એનો પ્રેક્ટિકલ પરફોર્મ કરવાનો આવે છે. અને એનું એબ્ઝોર્બન્ટના પર મોસ્ટ ઓફલી હાઈ સ્ટડી બી આપણે કરી શકીએ છીએ. Okay, simply in a liquid extraction, all sample of pure butyl acetate will extract acetic acid from a water solution with identical ability. The same is not true for the adsorption. Any characteristics of silica gel with respect to water. Okay, for example, much depend on this method of manufacturing and on its prior history of adsorption and desorption also. Okay, now this is the part read for first for a large surface per unit. આ એક ટોપિક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે, એ રીડ કરો ફાસ્ટ, then I will explain. અહીંયા સુધી read fast. This is the large surface per unit weight, seem essential to all useful adsorbent. Particularly આ કેસમાં જોઈએ તો ગેસ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન છે. Sorry, the significant surface is not the gross any surface of the granular particles which are ordinarily used, but the very much larger surface of the internal pores of the particles also, and the pores are usually very small, sometimes of the order of a few molecular diameters in a which, but their large number provides an enormous surfaces. Any for adsorption માટે જોઈએ, it is estimated for example લઈ લો that a typical gas mask a charcoal has an effective surface of the 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh meter square per kg. There are many other properties evidently of great importance which are not at all understood, and we must be dependent largely on empirical observations for recognitions of adsorptive ability. The following is a list of the principal adsorbent in general uses. Okay, simply now discussion part is completely last 2 points. the great bulk experience for our data. Okay, and આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું એડઝોર્પ્શન ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ. એમાં 100 પોઈન્ટ્સ છે સિંગલ ગેસીસના એન્ડ વેપર્સ તરીકે. નાવ જનરલ યુઝીસ જે આપણે જોવાના છે શાના કોમનલી યુઝ ફોર એડઝોર્બન્ટ માટે. For the fuller earth, these are naturally clays. The American varieties coming largely from these bases. Activity clays, bauxite, alumina, bone chair, decolorizing carbons, gas adsorbent carbon, molecular screening activated carbon, synthetic polymeric adsorbent, silica gel, molecular sieves. Okay. Now the revision part for a nature of adsorbent. Again repeat કરીશું આપણે. The adsorbent solids are usually used in a granular form, varying in a size from roughly જે 12 mm નો પાર્ટ છે એનો ડાયામીટર આપ્યો છે to as small as 50 micrometer, and the solid must be possess any certain engineering properties depending upon the applications to which they are put, and if they are used in a fixed bed throughout which liquid or gas is to flow. Okay. For example, they must not offer to create a pressure drop for flow, nor must they easily to be carried out away the following stream also, and they must have adequate the strength and hardness so as not to be reduced in a size during handling, and crust in supporting their own weight also, and bed mate of the required thickness if they are to be used and transported frequently and out of beings. They should be free flowing. These are properties which are readily recognized also, and the adsorptive ability of a solid is quite another matter also. And adsorption is very general phenomena, and even common solid will adsorb gases and vapors. Okay, at least to the certain extent. For example, આપણે જોઈએ કે એવરી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે કે એનાલિટિકલ કેમિસ્ટ્રીના બેઝિસ પર ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરતા હોય, and any wants to increases in a weight of a dried porcelain crucible on a humid day during an analytical waiting, which result from the adsorption of moisture from the air upon the crucible surface, but only certain solid exhibits the sufficient specificity and adsorptive capacity to make them useful as industrially adsorbent, since solid are frequently and very specific in their ability to adsorb certain substances in large amount. The chemical nature of the solid evidently has much to do with its adsorption and characteristics, but mere chemical identify is insufficient to characterize its usefulness, and the like the liquid extraction also simply બેઝિસમાં કહીએ તો આપણે. બરાબર. Now liquid extraction, all sample of this ability, the same is not for the adsorption. Okay, now simply for the adsorption also, and any abilities for same not to the characteristics of silica gel with respect to the water. For example, much dependent on this method also, for manufacture on the prior histories for adsorption and also desorption. એને આપણે હિસ્ટેરેસિસ કર્વ જોવાના છે આપણે ડિટેલમાં. ઓકે, આના બેઝિસમાં હિસ્ટેરેસિસ કર્વ જોઈશું અને આની ગ્રાફિકલ સિસ્ટમ બે છે એ બી જોવાના છે આપણે. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે એડઝોર્પ્શન ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ સિંગલ ગેસીસ વેપર માટે, દેન હિસ્ટેરેસિસ કર્વ એડઝોર્પ્શન અને ડિસોર્પ્શન માટે, ધીસ વન. ઓકે, thank you so much.